Kyle, You're Behind BBQ, and today we're making bacon wrapped onion bombs on the Green Mountain Grill. All right, we're gonna start off with some 80-20 ground beef. We're gonna start off with 2 packs of cheap, thin bacon. We got some Worcestershire sauce, some cream cheese, some regular cheddar cheese, and some fresh green chilies. So to start with, you're gonna wanna just cut the edges off of the onion. Cut the edges off. Then we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna cut it right down the center. So the reason why we cut the edges off, so they can sit. Okay, so now we're gonna peel the nasty part off on the end of the onion. Pull that off. Pull this one off. So start from the center. You're gonna count about 3 rings out. So 1, 2, 3. Then just poke a spoon in there and pop the center out. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pop the center out. Like so. Okay, now that your onions are ready to roll, let's mix our ground beef up. So we got 80-20, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, half a block of cream cheese, as much cheese as you would like to use. I use about a half a cup. Just throw that in there. A little more. Then we're going to use about a half a cup of green chilies, fresh green chili. Okay, now that you got that in there, we're going to start off with Cosmos Texas beef, just to taste. Then we're going to do Loot and Booty, everything rub. And mix. Okay, so once your mixture's mixed, you're gonna set that off to the side and we're gonna start stuffing the onions. You can stuff them level or you can come up a little bit. I like to come up a little bit. I like more meat in here. Stuff this one. After the onion bombs are stuffed, you want to go ahead and fire up your smoker. Today we're using the Green Mountain, the GMG Green Mountain Grill. It's fired up right now at 350. Get yourself a wire rack. And we got the wire rack. Now we're going to go with the cheap bacon. Why I use cheap bacon is because it's real thin and it stretches and you can wrap anything in that. If you use the real thick stuff, the bacon's not going to cook all the way and it's not going to taste very well. Okay. Pull this off and we're going to start wrapping. We're going to go 2 one way and now we're going to go 2 strips the other way. All right, now that we got these things wrapped, we're gonna top them with Loot and Booty everything rub. Now we're gonna go into the smoker. Smoker is at 350 degrees. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.